I just gave you the coronavirus.
Okay. Easter's coming. St. Patrick's Day. More importantly, Passover. And what do we make for all those?
Green bean casserole with bacon?
Green bean casserole with bacon. That's not Jewish.
No, but that will be a whole other series to come.
Okay, we're making green bean casserole today with bacon in the Ninja Foodi. It's going to be incredible.
Yes, babe.
Simple, easy recipe.
Yeah.
Follow along. Ninja Foodi. Link below. Let's go. Are you ready to party? I'm ready to party. It's Easter. It's green bean casserole time. It's a staple.
Yeah, it is.
Here we go.
Hey, babe. Here are the ingredients for the simple Ninja Foodi green bean casserole. Fresh green beans.
You sent me to the store early this morning to buy those.
Bacon.
Bacon.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cream of mushroom.
Cream of mushroom.
A little heavy whipping cream.
A little heavy.
And since I forgot
Okay.
Since I forgot to ask you to get French's onions, I'm using butter crackers. And it's gonna be great.
So we got to cook the bacon first. So we power on, sear saute on high, start, and then we're going to put the bacon in here. I don't know what Babe's doing over there. She's sharpening knives. And we're going to cook some bacon.
So with your green beans, you want to make sure that you take the little ends off each one.
You want to nip the tip.
Yeah, just nip the tip. If they're not being nice, you can take more off.
What?
Just depends on how you're feeling that day.
You're going to do all of those?
It's a labor of love.
It's a labor of love. Mm-hmm. We'll catch you back in a year and a half. Mm-hmm. Babe, our videos are really interesting because there's like shoes in the background and there's like...
Or ghetto.
I mean, it's not the most professional production.
What would
The
you
food's
like to do?
good, but...
Well, what would you like to do?
We need a studio, babe.
You know what? I bet if you put your shoes away, we wouldn't have shoes in the background.
No, babe, we need a studio.
Or put your shoes away?
No, or we could buy a studio.
We're just going to buy a studio with our hundreds of dollars that we make?
Babe, not hundreds, tens of dollars of YouTube money.
Oh, yeah. Every month we're rolling in those enough
Tens of
gumballs.
Tens of dollars.
Are you ready to saute this bacon? So this is another fun function of the Ninja Foodi.
Literally, you guys,
You can do anything in here.
pressure cooker, air fryer, saute, crock pot. The Ninja Foodi does it all.
Steam, broil, everything. It's so awesome. Almost done in here. Sauteing up. I'm going to throw our green beans in. I'm going to give them a little saute with it. Since they're fresh green beans. So they're going to take a little more time to cook.
How long did that bowl rattle around in the sink?
A long time. It was like a quarter. You can also use canned green beans if you want to do it quicker, but this is just kind of yummy. Okay, let that sit for a minute. Salt and pepper. Salt. Our pepper. Mix it around. Ooh, it's smelling very yummy. We're going to open up our can.
Good thing you didn't have a can opener because me and you have a can opener dispute.
Why? Because you don't like my can opener.
Yeah, it's terrible.
It's awesome.
No.
Okay, so we're going to stop the sear.
You're turning it off.
Okay?
Ninja Foodi off.
Yep. Put in our cream of mushroom. Whatever you want to use. We're doing less sodium.
Yeah, babe, you need less sodium in your life.
Yeah. I do. Apparently.
So do I. So does everybody, actually.
I think everybody does. Okay, and we're going to do our heavy whipping cream.
How
You want
much?
to fill up a can. I'm going to do half heavy whipping cream, or maybe a quarter, and then part almond milk.
I think you should do all heavy whipping cream.
I think that would probably be a little too heavy.
Babe, I love it heavy.
I know you do.
And nobody likes almond milk. We're not
Nobody loves
vegans
almond
around
milk.
here. There's no vegans watching this channel.
Well, it's good for you.
Okay, so you had a can of milk. Or a
We had a
can of
can of
whipping
milk.
cream, or a can of something.
To your liking.
A can of whatever you want.
You can add mushrooms too, but babe.
Oh, mushrooms are disgusting.
Josh does not like mushrooms.
That's fungus.
Correct. Okay. So it's looking pretty good down there. Now I'm going to add some cheddar cheese. Okay. It's going to make it nice and creamy, flavorful. Okay, we're going to pressure cook this for 3 minutes. Okay? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Pressure. Time. 3 minutes. Let's see what happens. Totally making this recipe up as we go. It's gonna be awesome. We don't have French onions. I forgot to put it on your list this morning.
Yeah.
And we don't want to go all the way back out to the store. So here I have butter crackers.
Yeah, babe.
Okay, I'm gonna mix these with a little bit of dried onions, and that is going to become our French onion topping.
Okay.
Okay,
Do you, boo-boo?
but if you have French onions, then use your French onions. It's our topping.
Okay.
Voila, homemade French onions.
What is this?
Dried onions. Homemade French's fried onions.
Okay.
We're gonna release the pressure.
Come on, man.
Okay, we're gonna let that go. Oh, yeah.
Wow, that smells really good, actually.
Actually, like you're surprised. Now let's mix it up. We're gonna put some cheese and our crackers on, and we're gonna air fry it. Put a little more cheese. This isn't healthy.
Okay.
FYI. Okay. We've got our cracker mixture. Okay. And then we air fry. Air crisp. 400. And we're gonna go for about 5 minutes. Okay.
I'm ready.
It smells delicious.
Oh, goodness.
Okay, let's see what happens. Oh boy. That's a ooey gooey mess.
This is Babe's take on a green bean casserole.
Yeah. For just making stuff up, I think this looks pretty good. Let's try it out. Let's see. Fresh green beans, bacon, a homemade crumb topping, cream of mushroom, and cheese. It's fantastic. You want to try it?
Yeah, we'll try it. Yeah. Here at the homemade YouTube studio.
Babe's kitchen.
Oh, babe, that smells really, really good.
It is really, really good. Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's hot.
This was quick. This was a quick meal.
I mean, like 15 minutes. What do you think about that?
Oh, very good.
Is it good?
Oh, very good.
Can't do it for Passover if you have the bacon.
That's true.
Yeah.
But,
It's delicious.
oh,
Easy, quick, cheap. Ninja Foodi grill, or Ninja Foodi.
that's Babe's take on green bean casserole. The Ninja Foodi green bean casserole.
Babe,
Babe style.
it's a winner.
It's a winner.
It's a winner here in Babe's
Yeah.
kitchen. Here in Babe's test kitchen. I
Oh,
think
good,
it's good.
Aaron.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, guys. Try it out. Get a grill. Get a Ninja Foodi. I
Yeah.
keep saying the grill.
yeah, get it in.
Get a Ninja Foodi. It's amazing. There's just so much you can do with it.
Yeah.
We love it.
Okay.
Okay.
We're done?
We're done.
We're done. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.